Hello everyone, this is Marlin Carter again, and welcome to my video. And before we get started, I would like for you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can see the next video that I record. Don't forget to click the bell so you can be alerted when I make my next video. In my videos, I'm talking about making an income from home and the way that you can uh, promote any business online and the tools that I use to promote any business online. And also, I will give you different programs that I may be involved with so that you can make a decision to join or not to join. And again, my name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and I love making these videos and I love promoting the business that I have joined, I'm involved with. Right here, I'm talking about the Prosperity Marketing System. And we all know that building a list, if you don't know, then I'm going to let you know building a list is very important to promoting any business or products that you may have online. And you gonna have to have tools to do that with, and you're gonna have to have programs that will draw attention to whatever you're marketing online, and those are tools as well. That's what I call tools as well. In the prosperity marketing system, you're going to learn that this is a program and a business opportunity all within itself. If you don't have a business to promote online, or even if you are a beginner in trying to make an extra income from home or make an income from home, this is a good place to start. The Prosperity Marketing System, and learn how you can come in and use these tools to build a list. These are list building tools that you're going to be using, and most of them are free. And you will learn how to do that in the back office of the Prosperity Marketing System. And I'm going to give you proof on this system really works, and it's working for me. I've recruited my first recruit, and I'm making money with this system, and you can do it as well. And it doesn't cost but $12 to get started. But before you even ponder on that $12, put your name and email address here in the space and take the free tour. And you will look at a video, watch the free video and learn more. You will look at the video, and Jeff Amon is the author of this business, this program, and he's going to let you know or give you some proof on how this marketing system is working. I been working online for a while now. It's been some years. I started back when the computer boom first started happening back in the late 90s. I went to a computer learning center and learned how to do data processing. And after learning how to do data processing, I found out about the World Wide Web, as they called it back then. Now they just call it the internet or the net. But I found out there's money to be made from this computer, from this little box called the computer. Now we can even tote it around in our hand in on this little computer they call the cell phone. It's amazing what you can do with the with modern technology and the tools that you can use to promote or to make money on home from home from the products that you might get involved with. This is an amazing system that I love and I promote it dearly. If you look at my videos, you will see that I'm promoting it. I'm highly promoting it. Also, with my postcard business, I don't have a lot of businesses, but I use a lot of online marketing programs to promote my business and my businesses. And you can do the same thing with those programs I use to promote my business. It becomes a income uh, maker as well, because you're introducing other people to how they can use these tools or these programs to promote whatever they are promoting online as far as products or business opportunity. But I love making money online. I'm a gospel preacher, and I gotten involved with working for myself even as a teenager. My dad owned his own business, and he put me and my brothers to work. And after he passed away, the business was left to us. And I've learned to work for myself. And even if I'm not working uh, for myself at home, if I'm working on an 8 hour job, I'm still working for myself. But it would be lovely to just retire to just working at home for yourself, by yourself. In other words, when I say by yourself, you're not in the morning commute, you're not going to a job where you're faced with your bosses and all that. But you will learn how to do things from your home alone. And it's exciting when you start receiving those paychecks each and every month and into your account. And you wake up and say, you open up your email and it says, cha-ching, you just got paid. I love that. All right, just put your name here, your email address here, and then click the take the free tool. It's going to take you over to a video with Jeff Amon, and he's going to explain to you or give you proof how this actually works. All right, we will talk to you on the next video. Have a wonderful day or night. I'm the Elder Marlin Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Elder, because that's my title. Gospel preacher first, and I'm an entrepreneur next. All right. See you soon. Bye bye.